So there's a lot of orange lines, but don't mind them because these are all my alerts, because I also have entered this. And oh my god, what is this? What is this? Right, let's even get rid of this for a minute as well, because this is just distracting us. ENJ. So this is something that I like to see, that it is another coin that hasn't, like, it has retested this on the weekly, right? But it just hasn't pumped. We've seen this pattern play out everywhere, and everything just retested those trend lines and boom, right? Massive runs. Now ENJ has given that V-shaped recovery, and then it's kind of cooling off around here. So on the weekly, look at the RSI and also look at my EMA thingy. So this is where that cross again is coming to play here, guys, with the RSI. So I'm looking here at ENJ and also a bit of a long-term play. We'd want to see this obviously get above 50 cents. Once it gets above 50 cents, we're going to have to clear 60 cents. So again, psychological levels, again, round numbers, right? Once we have the 75 cents, that is going to be a tricky level here. And we're going to be probably flying by then. Hopefully. ENJ, I think it is actually engine coin, so that is, it's a KuCoin coin, but I think other coins have it at the minute. Other exchanges have it at the minute. I think I didn't get it on KuCoin. I don't know, actually, something that I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if any of you really like you know, look at this stuff, but look, this, we are on the weekly here, and if you go to all the interesting things that TradingView offers, just look at this. It gives you, you know, it has oscillators, moving averages. It takes all of that into consideration. You know, you have your averages, where to buy, where to sell, and gives you the signals. And depending on the monthly chart, on the whatever timelines that you're trading, it will give you buy or sell signal. So on the oscillators, it's a buy. For the summary, it's a neutral. On the moving averages is a sell on the monthly, right? Then on a weekly, it's a neutral. On a daily, it's actually a buy. On a 4-hour, strong buy on the moving averages, neutral buy. So you can take all of that, you know, 2 hours, look at like, you know, how it changes depending on the time frame you're using. So, you know, when you kind of go to these, you can also use it as part of your strategy. I think it's very helpful. So anyway, back to real quick, guys, my battery, swear to God, I needed a new laptop again, I think. Daily, where are we? So look, it's climbing above. It looks like a nice wedge to the upside, but it's giving me side action here that I like. The RSI on the daily is cooling off. The price is cooling off. I don't want the price to be pumped on the declining RSI. I want the price to go sideways and RSI to cool off. Then I would be buying even more of ENJ. Sorry. So it bounced. It bounced above this cluster here, above 45 cents. It's moving. I wanted to go above 50 cents. I want to go above 50 cents and hold and get above this, you know, this cluster here, get above this consolidation where, you know, probably accumulation zone. So that's something I am looking at. Again, look, it moved all the way above that red candle here. Nice pink candle here to aim for about 60 cents. But look at the EMAs as well. The 200 EMA, it's a matter for many coins where it's just obviously acting as resistance. Above 50 cents, ENJ will be an interesting buy. I think it's a good Swing trade, I think it's a good hodl, at least for a while. I think it's a nice coin to have for possible spot trade. And you might be looking at, once we get above here, that is above, sorry, the 50 cents would be important. Obviously it's I'm actually day trading this, but once we get above this, that's a 60% move, and then it's possible that we'll clear all the way up to here. So I think yeah, that's a nice 150%, guys. Look, this is an important 120 cents and obviously $1 psychological levels. Bit by bit, we can keep an eye on this. ENJ, I think, has a lot to offer. It has that recovery here, giving side action, break above the 200 EMA and give us some gains.